Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, this video is well overdue. Shanoy, I apologize. I love you so much and thank you so much, okay sis, my beautiful little sis. So we did a collab together, or we're still doing it. She did hers already about last week or the week before. But guys, please go ahead and check out Shanoy Hylton. She's awesome. And we decide to do this collab where we're gonna do a forward high puff ponytail or high puff ponytail on a hook. You can do whatever you want, but it's braidless crochet. You can't do any braids. All right, I got this pack of here off AliExpress. It's the Jamaican jumbo braid crochet here. I'll leave the link in the description because I always spoiling up these here names, and these are beautiful hair quality, guys. Look at that. I'm going to show you the pack before I start to use it. I bought more, so it comes in a big pack. I took it off because my name is on it and they're like this. The right name will be in the description box, okay guys? And these are the jumbo crochet here. They are the longer ones. I made a video on my daughter's hair, but they're so colorful and nice. I decided to use some as well with few of those. Ooh, and it's gonna be colorful, bright and nice. All right guys, let's get into the video. You need a crochet needle and nothing else, and you want to catch your hair up whichever side, to the side, to the front, to the back, it doesn't matter. And this is my hair. The hair, they're like this. They're long. Look at that. They're gonna be too long, so I'm gonna cut them in two. I'm gonna start from the front and work towards the back so I see what I'm doing. I put gel in my hair, guys, so you know how it goes. And I think I'm gonna separate them as well because they're too thick. So I'm gonna separate them in two so I can have more natural look. You can knot them 2 times or once, it's up to you. Perfect. Perfection, no? I like it. Just want to grab some of your hair. It doesn't matter where. Just start to crochet, guys. Sorry, I love the braiding thing. Ooh, yes. So you can separate them in 2 or in 3s, but in 2 is okay, and then after you can separate them some more. And it's easy, quick, because it's a braidless crochet. So just go ahead and work around. So it's looking somewhat like that so far, guys. I love it. It's beautiful. Now guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of color to it. And guys, now I get it like this. I'm loving it. So now I'm gonna continue with these and I'm going to crochet a little bit around these so I can push it forward. What I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to grab a little bit on top of this one, and then I'm going to go down to my hair root like so. Just like that, guys. And I'm just gonna add a few of these, some. So guys, this is the last one I'm putting in. Just add a little bit of color to it. I think that's enough here, guys, for one day. That's enough here for one day. I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna clip it up a little bit, all right? I'm going to use one pin and I'm going to hold it, just hold the hair in place. Just like that. This side is okay. This side needs to go a little bit too long. So there it is, guys. I don't want to do too much to it, and you want to carry it forward, and you can pin it. If you want to carry it more forward, just get some pin and pin it, but that's okay to me. You can separate it a little bit so it looks a little bit more natural. And guys, this is the final result. Wow, Shanoy, this is the look I got. Now I'm gonna put some aisle sheen. This is what I got from it. And this is it, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and please check out Shanoy Hylton's channel as well. And guys, this is the final look, a quick forward high puff updo. Yes, guys, and can you see, this is it. This is how it's looking underneath. So my hair is still intact. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that. Still slaying all day. So that's it, guys. My hair is still intact, neat and nice. Can you see it? And you always can take some clips or pins and you can pin it forward to how you want it. You pin it to how you want it. You can pin it smaller like this and let it come more forward, but I'm gonna leave it like that. Long on my face. Alright, guys, See you later.